Greetings, nature enthusiasts, and welcome to a journey through the animal kingdom. Our voyage today will take us into the intriguing realm of animal behaviors. From the crafty crows of New Caledonia that use tools with remarkable precision, to the incredible communication skills of honeybees, we'll be uncovering the astonishing traits and talents that make each species unique. We'll delve into the world of mimicry and camouflage with the ever-changing cuttlefish, and witness the tireless dedication of emperor penguin fathers in the harshest conditions on Earth. We'll explore the phenomenal regenerative abilities of axolotls, the escape artistry of octopuses, and the long-distance migratory prowess of monarch butterflies. From sensory superpowers to unusual reproductive strategies, from complex social structures to extreme survival tactics, there's a whole world of wonder awaiting us. Dive with us into the fascinating world of animal behaviors and marvel at the wonders of nature. Imagine you're a crow, and you've just found a delicious snack hidden in a hard-to-reach place. What do? If you're a New Caledonian crow, you reach for a tool. Yes, you heard that right. These birds from the South Pacific are among the animal kingdom's top tool users, showcasing an intelligence that rivals some primates. But what exactly does their tool use look like? Well, these crows are known to fashion their tools from twigs and leaves, whittling them down into hooks to extract insects from crevices. This isn't just a simple case of using what's at hand. They're choosing the right material, crafting it to suit their needs, and using it with remarkable precision. It's almost as if they're following a blueprint, but that's not all. New Caledonian crows also demonstrate remarkable problem-solving skills. When faced with a complex problem, they don't give up. Instead, they approach it from different angles, trying out different tools and techniques until they succeed. This behavior isn't just fascinating, it's also deeply illuminating. It challenges our understanding of animal cognition, suggesting that intelligence isn't solely the domain of humans or even primates. It's a trait that can be found across the animal kingdom, manifesting in ways that continue to astonish and inspire us. So the next time you see a crow, take a moment to appreciate its potential brilliance. It's not just a bird, it's a testament to the wonders of evolution and the incredible diversity of life on our planet. The intelligence of these crows truly challenges our understanding of animal cognition. Next, we delve into the world of the honeybee, a creature that communicates through dance. In a bustling hive, amidst the hum of thousands of wings, there lies an intricate ballet of information exchange. This dance, known as the waggle dance, is the honeybee's way of conveying crucial details about the location of food sources to its fellow hive dwellers. Imagine being a honeybee returning to the hive after discovering a rich source of nectar. How do you communicate this vital information to your fellow bees? The answer lies in the waggle dance, a complex sequence of movements that encodes the direction and distance to the food source. This isn't just some random jiving. This is a precise and calculated performance that speaks volumes about the bee's intelligence and social structure. The waggle dance consists of a figure-8 pattern with a straight run in the middle. The direction of this straight run, relative to the sun, indicates the direction of the food source. The length of the waggle run corresponds to the distance to the food. Longer waggles mean a further distance, while shorter waggles indicate a closer source. It's a fascinating spectacle of nature, a language of movement that is both precise and efficient. And it's not just about food. Bees also use the waggle dance to communicate about new nest sites when the hive becomes overcrowded. What's more fascinating is that the dance is not a fixed routine. Bees adjust their dance based on the sun's position throughout the day, ensuring accurate communication despite the shifting landscape. This ability to adapt their dance to changing conditions speaks to their incredible cognitive abilities. The honeybee's waggle dance is a testament to the power of communication in the animal kingdom. It's a beautiful dance of survival, a dance that ensures the hive's success and longevity. In the intricate world of honeybees, every waggle is a word. In the undersea world, the cuttlefish reigns supreme in the art of camouflage. The cuttlefish, a creature of the ocean floor, possesses an extraordinary ability to transform its appearance in a flash. Imagine having the power to change your skin color, pattern, and even texture in an instant. That's the daily reality for the cuttlefish. This cephalopod, a relative of squids and octopuses, is not only a master of disguise, but also a virtuoso of visual communication. Each color change, each pattern shift, and each textural variation is a message to the world around it. Whether it's hiding from a predator, hunting for prey, or trying to impress a potential mate, the cuttlefish uses its skin as a dynamic living billboard. The cuttlefish's skin is packed with millions of pigment cells called chromatophores. Each chromatophore is like a tiny balloon filled with colored ink. When the cuttlefish flexes its muscles, these balloons expand, revealing a burst of color. By controlling each chromatophore individually, the cuttlefish can produce a staggering array of patterns and colors. But the cuttlefish's camouflage capabilities go beyond mere color changes. They can also change the texture of their skin to mimic the environment. Want to look like a rough, rocky seabed? No problem. Need to resemble a spiky piece of coral? Easy. The cuttlefish can do all this and more. This remarkable ability to blend into the environment is a powerful survival tool. It allows the cuttlefish to avoid predators, sneak up on prey, and communicate with others of its kind. And all this is done without the benefit of color vision. That's right, cuttlefish are colorblind. They create their extraordinary color displays by detecting contrasts in light and darkness. The cuttlefish, a master of disguise and a marvel of the marine world. Their incredible abilities remind us of the amazing diversity of life on our planet and the extraordinary adaptations that animals have evolved to survive and thrive. The world of the cuttlefish is a world of constant change and adaptation, a world where survival depends on the ability to blend in or stand out. And in this world, the cuttlefish is truly a master. In the harsh cold of Antarctica, a tale of paternal dedication unfolds. Here, the male emperor penguin takes on a role that is quite remarkable in the animal kingdom. But what does this role entail? Well, prepare to be astounded by the lengths these fathers go to ensure the survival of their offspring. As winter descends on the Antarctic, female emperor penguins lay a single egg. But rather than nurturing it themselves, they entrust its care to the males. This is where the male penguin's extraordinary parenting journey begins. Once the egg is safely transferred to him, the female embarks on a 2-month-long journey to the open sea to feed and replenish her energy reserves, leaving the male solely responsible for the egg's welfare. Balancing the precious egg on his feet and covering it with a warm layer of abdominal skin known as a brood pouch, the male emperor penguin endures the unforgiving Antarctic winter. With temperatures dropping to -60 degrees Celsius and winds reaching up to 120 kilometers an hour, it's a task that pushes these fathers to their limits. For about 2 months, these resilient fathers fast, standing still against the frost and blizzards, all the while keeping their precious cargo warm and safe. They huddle together in large groups, sharing warmth and braving the storm as a collective. Their patience and perseverance are rewarded when finally the eggs hatch. By then, the females return, and together they assume the role of feeding and nurturing the newborn chick. The emperor penguin father's devotion to their offspring is a testament to the extraordinary lengths parents in nature often go to ensure the survival of their lineage. Despite the harshest conditions, these fathers stand strong, protecting and nurturing the next generation of their species. In the world of emperor penguins, fathers stand strong in the face of adversity. Their story is a testament to the power of parental care in the animal kingdom, a story of sacrifice, endurance, and unwavering dedication. It's a heartwarming example of the lengths parents in the wild will go to give their offspring the best shot at life. From the icy tundra, we move to the realm of a creature that defies the rules of biology. Welcome to the world of the axolotl, an amphibian that's taken the art of survival to a whole new level. The axolotl, also known as the Mexican walking fish, is no ordinary creature. This amphibian has a rare trait that sets it apart from virtually all other animals on Earth. The axolotl has an extraordinary ability to regenerate its body parts. Now, we're not just talking about regrowing a lost limb here, which in itself would be quite a feat. No, the axolotl takes it several steps further. It can literally regenerate entire organs, We're talking the heart, the spinal cord, and even parts of its brain. Imagine for a moment losing a vital organ and then simply growing it back. To us, it sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but for the axolotl, it's just another day in the pond. What's even more astonishing is that there's no limit to this regeneration. An axolotl can repeat this process over and over again throughout its lifetime. It's like having a reset button for your body. Scientists are fascinated by this ability and are studying the axolotl in the hope of unlocking the secrets of its regeneration. They believe that understanding how the axolotl does this could one day lead to breakthroughs in human medicine. Imagine the possibilities if we could harness this power for ourselves. But as amazing as the axolotl is, it's also critically endangered in the wild. Its unique regeneration abilities serve as a stark reminder of the incredible diversity of life on our planet and the urgent need to protect it. So next time you think of survival of the fittest, remember the axolotl. It may not be the biggest or the strongest, but when it comes to survival, this little amphibian is a true champion. The axolotl, a testament to nature's boundless capacity for regeneration. In the depths of the ocean, a creature demonstrates problem-solving skills that rival those of primates. This creature is none other than the octopus, a cephalopod known for its intelligence and innovative problem-solving abilities. Octopuses, unlike most invertebrates, exhibit complex behaviors that highlight their cognitive capabilities. One of these behaviors is their ability to escape from seemingly secure enclosures. This uncanny ability isn't just a result of their flexible, boneless bodies, but also their sharp minds. Imagine a scenario where an octopus is trapped in a glass jar with a screw-top lid. Most animals would panic, thrash around, or simply wait to be released, but not an octopus. Instead, it examines the situation, learns the workings of the lid, and unscrews it from the inside to make its escape. This ability to manipulate objects and understand their function is a clear demonstration of problem-solving. The octopus doesn't rely on instinct alone. It uses a form of reasoning, learning from its environment, and applying that knowledge to new situations. But it doesn't stop there. Octopuses also use tools for protection and hunting. They've been observed carrying coconut shells, using them as mobile homes for protection against predators. It's a behavior that requires foresight, another sign of their advanced cognitive abilities. So, how does an octopus, a creature without a central nervous system like ours, achieve such feats of problem-solving and innovation? Well, 2/3 of an octopus's neurons are in its arms, not in its brain. This decentralized nervous system allows each arm to work independently, yet in concert, giving the octopus a unique form of intelligence that is both fascinating and somewhat alien to us. The study of octopus intelligence doesn't just provide us with fascinating insights into the animal kingdom. It also challenges our understanding of intelligence itself, forcing us to question and expand our definitions. The octopus, an escape artist that challenges our understanding of intelligence. Their problem-solving abilities serve as a reminder that intelligence comes in many forms and is not exclusive to us humans. From the depths of the ocean, we soar to the skies with the monarch butterfly, a creature no larger than your palm, yet it embarks on an epic journey, one of the longest migrations in the animal kingdom. Each year, millions of monarch butterflies traverse over 2,000 miles, from the chilly climes of Canada to the warm, welcoming groves of central Mexico. This is not a simple feat. Imagine navigating this enormous distance without a map or GPS, guided only by an instinctual compass etched into your genes. Let's delve into the marvels of this tiny navigator. The monarch butterfly's journey is a multi-generational relay race. The initial butterflies lay eggs during the journey, and their descendants complete the migration. Astonishingly, the fourth generation, born in Mexico, migrates back north, closing the loop. How they find their way to a place they've never been is a mystery that continues to intrigue scientists. Research suggests that they use the sun as a compass, adjusting their flight paths to maintain a consistent angle relative to the sun's position. But what happens on cloudy days? Monarchs have a backup plan. They're equipped with an internal biological clock that helps them orient themselves when the sun is obscured. But it's not just the sun and the clock. Some studies propose that the butterflies can sense Earth's magnetic field, adding another layer to their complex navigational toolkit. It's like having a built-in compass, clock, and GPS all rolled into one. The monarch's journey is not just a testament to its navigational prowess, but also a showcase of its resilience. Facing numerous threats from predators to environmental changes, these butterflies persevere, driven by an instinctual call to migrate. The monarch butterfly, a tiny creature with a monumental journey. Their migration is an annual spectacle of nature that reminds us of the incredible navigational marvels hidden within the animal kingdom. Each fluttering wing beat is a testament to the extraordinary capabilities that animals possess, inspiring us to marvel, learn, and preserve these wonders of nature. As night falls, a creature takes flight, navigating the darkness with precision. This creature is none other than the bat, a master of the night sky. But how does it manage to fly so accurately in the pitch black? The answer lies in a remarkable sensory superpower known as echolocation. Bats use echolocation, a sort of biological sonar, to navigate and hunt. They emit high-frequency sounds, inaudible to human ears, which bounce off objects in their environment. The echoes of these sounds return to the bat, providing information about the object's distance, size, shape, and even texture. This ingenious system allows bats to construct a detailed sonic map of their surroundings, enabling them to avoid obstacles, locate their prey, and find their way home, all in complete darkness. While the concept of echolocation might seem alien to us, it's second nature to bats. From the moment they are born, young bats are already learning to fine-tune their echolocation skills, honing their ability to interpret the complex language of echoes. Echolocation is not only a navigation tool, but also a key to survival for these nocturnal creatures. It allows them to hunt efficiently, locating and capturing their prey mid-air, even in the densest darkness. Imagine being able to pinpoint a tiny insect in flight, in the dark, and catch it with precision. That's a day, or rather a night, in the life of a bat. But it's not just about survival. Echolocation also plays a role in social interactions among bats. They can identify each other by their unique echo signatures, much like we recognize voices. This helps them maintain social bonds within their colonies, which can number in the thousands or even millions. In the grand tapestry of nature, each creature has its unique abilities, and the bat's mastery of echolocation is a testament to the marvels of evolution. It's a sensory superpower that turns what would be a disadvantage, flying in the dark, into a strategic advantage. The bat, a creature that turns darkness into an ally. In the world of sensory superpowers, the bat truly stands out, turning the night sky into its playground and the darkness into its canvas. On the plains of Africa, a spectacle of cooperative behavior unfolds. Every year, over 1 million wildebeests come together in a grand spectacle of unity and teamwork. This breathtaking phenomenon, known as the Great Wildebeest Migration, is one of nature's most awe-inspiring displays. These herds of wildebeests, along with hundreds of thousands of zebras and gazelles, undertake a circular grazing path that covers over 1,800 miles. It's a journey fraught with danger, from treacherous river crossings teeming with crocodiles to open plains stalked by lions. Yet the wildebeests are not deterred. They understand that there's safety in numbers. The sheer size of the herd offers some protection against predators. While a lone wildebeest might fall prey to a lurking predator, a herd of thousands presents a more daunting challenge. Moreover, the wildebeest's synchronized movements create a sort of swarm intelligence. This collective decision-making process helps them navigate treacherous terrains and find the best grazing spots. Even in the face of adversity, the wildebeests stick together. When a member of the herd falls, others will often stop and wait, providing comfort and protection. It's a touching display of empathy rarely seen in the animal kingdom. The wildebeest's cooperative behavior doesn't just enhance their survival chances, it also contributes to the health of the ecosystem. Their migration aids in grassland regeneration and nutrient cycling, benefiting other species as well. Through their collective strength, the wildebeests embody an important lesson about the power of cooperation and teamwork. They remind us that unity isn't just about strength in numbers. It's about working together, overcoming obstacles, and supporting each other through the journey of life. The wildebeest, a testament to the power of unity in the face of adversity. In the deep sea, a strange and fascinating mating ritual takes place. Here, in the shadowy depths, where sunlight dares not venture, dwells the anglerfish. A creature as peculiar as it is captivating, it has devised an unusual reproductive strategy that could challenge your very understanding of relationships. In the world of anglerfish, size matters, but not in the way you might expect. The females are the behemoths of this species, often reaching lengths of 2 feet or more. The males, on the other hand, are tiny in comparison, at less than an inch. But it's not their size that's the most intriguing element of their biology. It's their life's purpose, to find a female and become a part of her. You heard that right. The male anglerfish, upon finding a suitable mate, literally fuses with the female. Equipped with specialized sensors, the male searches tirelessly for a female. Upon finding one, he bites into her skin and releases an enzyme that dissolves his mouth and her body at the point of contact, creating a direct connection. Over time, the male morphs into nothing more than a pair of reproductive organs attached to the female, ready to fertilize her eggs whenever she decides to spawn. But why such a bizarre mating strategy? The answer lies in the harsh reality of their environment. In the vast, barren expanse of the deep sea, encounters between male and female anglerfish are rare, so when they do occur, they must count. The male's permanent attachment ensures he's around when the time is right, providing a guaranteed opportunity for reproduction. This extraordinary approach to reproduction is a testament to the relentless drive of life to persist, even in the harshest and most inhospitable environments. It's a stark reminder of the lengths to which nature will go to ensure a species' survival. The anglerfish, a creature that redefines our understanding of partnership. As we explore these incredible creatures and their unusual reproductive strategies, we are reminded of the boundless diversity and complexity of life on our remarkable planet. In the African savanna, a tale of sophisticated communication unfolds. This is the world of elephants, nature's grand architects of complex social structures. They are not just the largest land mammals, but also one of the most socially complex creatures on our planet. Elephants live in tightly knit matriarchal groups, where wisdom is passed down from older members to younger ones. The matriarch, usually the oldest and most experienced female, guides the herd to water sources, remembers migration routes, and makes decisions that ensure the group's survival. Their communication methods are intricately detailed, employing a range of vocalizations, touch, body language, and even infrasound, a low-frequency sound that humans cannot hear. This infrasound can travel over long distances, allowing elephants to stay in touch with each other even when they're miles apart. Remarkably, they can also recognize the calls of over 100 different elephants, helping them maintain social relationships and avoid conflicts. Elephants also demonstrate empathy, a behavior thought to be exclusive to humans and a few other species. They console each other in times of stress, and they mourn their dead, standing over the bodies of the deceased in silent vigil, a testament to their deep emotional connections. Their social structures also extend to allamothers, young, usually related females who assist in the care of calves. This communal upbringing ensures that the young elephants learn the necessary skills and behaviors to thrive in their complex society. These grand creatures also exhibit cultural transmission, passing down knowledge from one generation to the next. They teach their young where to find water during droughts, how to use certain tools, and even medicinal plants to eat when sick. The elephant, a creature that shows us the complexity of animal societies. Their intricate social structures, communication methods, and empathetic behaviors are a profound reminder of the intelligence and emotional depth of the animal kingdom. They are a testament to the fact that there is much more to animal behavior than meets the eye. In the forests of North America, a bird demonstrates a memory that would put most humans to shame. Now let's delve into the mind of the Clark's nutcracker. This bird, found in the pine forests of North America, has an uncanny knack for remembering things. It's not the sort of memory that helps you remember where you left your keys, or the name of that movie you saw last week. No, the Clark's nutcracker has a very specific type of memory. It remembers where it has hidden its food. But we're not talking about a few scattered seeds here and there. These birds are known to create thousands of food caches, each containing a few seeds, and they scatter them across a territory that can span several square miles. Imagine, if you will, trying to remember the location of thousands of hidden items spread across an area that's larger than your hometown. It's a daunting task for anyone, but it's a piece of cake for the Clark's nutcracker. These birds have a part of their brain, the hippocampus, that's significantly larger than that of other birds. It's thought that this expansion is directly related to their incredible memory. The hippocampus is involved in navigation and memory in many animals, including humans. But in the Clark's nutcracker, it's supercharged, allowing them to remember the exact location of thousands of food caches, even 6 months after hiding them. Now you might be wondering why these birds go to such lengths to hide their food and remember where it's hidden. The answer lies in their environment. These birds live in regions where the winters are long and harsh, and food is scarce. By burying seeds during the abundant summer months and remembering where they've hidden them, they ensure a steady food supply throughout the winter. So, the next time you struggle to remember where you left your keys, spare a thought for the Clark's nutcracker, who's probably busy remembering the locations of thousands of seeds spread across miles of pine forest. The Clark's nutcracker, a bird that truly never forgets. In the harshest of conditions, one creature stands resilient. Welcome to the world of the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. These microscopic animals are the ultimate survivors, capable of withstanding circumstances that would obliterate most life forms. Imagine an environment so extreme, it's beyond the reaches of Earth itself. The vacuum of space, with its lack of oxygen, freezing temperatures, and deadly radiation, is no match for the tardigrade. In 2007, scientists launched tardigrades into orbit, where they survived for 10 days, unfazed by the harsh conditions. But their incredible resilience is not limited to outer space. Tardigrades can also survive in the deepest ocean trenches and the highest mountain peaks. They can endure temperatures as low as -272 degrees Celsius, just a degree above absolute zero, and as high as 150 degrees Celsius. So, how do they do it? When faced with inhospitable conditions, tardigrades enter a state of suspended animation, known as cryptobiosis. They retract their 8 legs and shrink into a dehydrated ball called a ton. In this state, their metabolic activity drops to 0.01% of the normal rate, effectively pausing their life processes. They can stay in this state for years, even decades, and then revive within hours when conditions improve. But their survival skills don't stop there. Tardigrades are also capable of withstanding pressures 6 times greater than those found in the deepest ocean trenches. They can resist lethal doses of radiation and can go without food or water for more than 30 years. These tiny creatures are a testament to the incredible adaptability of life. Their survival abilities have intrigued scientists, who are studying them in hopes of applying their resilience to human medicine and technology. The tardigrade, a creature that redefines the limits of survival. In the vast oceans, a tale of cultural transmission unfolds among killer whales. These magnificent creatures, also known as orcas, demonstrate an incredible ability to pass down knowledge and behaviors from generation to generation, creating what can be likened to a unique culture within their pods. Cultural transmission is not a trait exclusive to humans. In the animal kingdom, it presents as learned behaviors passed down through generations, rather than instinctual behaviors encoded in an animal's genes. And in the realm of killer whales, it's a fascinating spectacle. Each killer whale pod, much like human communities, has its own dialect, a unique set of vocalizations that are learned, not inherited. These complex languages are passed down and refined over generations, enabling sophisticated communication within the pod. But it doesn't stop at language. Killer whales also pass down specialized hunting techniques. In the frigid waters of Antarctica, some pods have mastered the art of wave washing, a coordinated hunting strategy where they create waves to knock unsuspecting seals off ice floes. In contrast, Norwegian orcas have become adept at herding herring into tight balls for easy pickings, a technique that's taught to the young by the elders. And it's not just about survival skills. Social norms, too, are a part of the killer whale's cultural transmission. From the way they interact with each other to the way they share food, these behaviors are learned and perpetuated within the pod. This cultural transmission is a testament to the killer whale's intelligence and their capacity for learning and innovation. It's a reminder that the animal kingdom is more complex and more like our own than we often realize. It underscores the importance of preserving these creatures and their habitats to ensure that these unique cultures continue to thrive. The killer whale, a creature that shows us the power of learned behavior. As our journey through the animal kingdom comes to a close, we are left in awe of the incredible behaviors we have observed. From the ingenuity of New Caledonian crows using tools, to the complex dance of honeybees communicating food locations, the animal kingdom never ceases to amaze. The parental sacrifices of emperor penguins, the regenerative wonders of the axolotl, and the escape artistry of octopuses all paint a picture of an intricate and fascinating world. The long-distance travel of monarch butterflies, bats' echolocation, wildebeest teamwork, the bizarre mating rituals of anglerfish, all these and more remind us of the endless wonders of nature. But let's not forget the memory prowess of Clark's nutcracker, the extreme survival tactics of tardigrades, and the cultural transmissions in killer whales. As we marvel at these behaviors, we are reminded of the importance of understanding and preserving the amazing creatures that share our planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and don't forget to subscribe to Beastly Animals for more fascinating content.